Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Chris and this is Restoration Rescue. So if you are new, please do consider subscribing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And in today's video, what we are doing, we have some boxes to open, we have some welding to finish up, and we have a lot of prep work to get this thing ready for C10 Nationals coming up in a couple months. So we're gonna come in here and talk about what we have left to weld and grind. Sorry, Uncle Al, we still got just a little bit left to do. And what that is this panel right here on both sides. Now, this side is the only one that has some real rust issues. The other one is okay. The only thing that it has is the same as right here. Now, this needs to be a panel little made and ground back so that we have an ability to bolt this panel on. We also have a little bit of a hole right up here. You guys can't really see that, not a big deal. We'll get that covered up. We'll get that sanded back as well. Make that panel look great. We'll do the other panel as well, hopefully in this video. And we have a lot of packages to open. So we have purchased quite a little bit of product from LMC Trucks, and we're hoping to open that up right here for you today. We're gonna go do that right now, open up some of these boxes, get these panels laid out, show you what we got, and go from there. So as you can see, we have all the parts to put the bed together. Yes, I have the front panel inside the house already. That came in a different package. We have some other things to bolt it all together, get it all set. Some of the cross rails. Now, a couple of them were on national back order through LMC. They said it's about 10 weeks out, so hopefully in a couple weeks I'll have that. Hopefully in time for the trip, as we'll have the bed put together. So we have a lot of work left to do today. We're gonna get onto some welding, get that situated, get these parts pretty much, hopefully once we're done with this, I might get these things prepped for the primer. We also still need to flip over the hood and work on the under hood, getting that sanded back, getting that ready for its final primer, and get it ready for its paint coat. So everything body panel wise pretty much is here at the shop, so we are ready for that. So let's go ahead, continue welding, get this thing squared away, get the other one squared away, so pretty much all the metal is ready for primer. So we have both of those panels all complete and looking amazing. We took care of the other one off camera, and now we have them both ready for the next step. So the next step is getting all of these panels that we have picked up, the whole new bed, set and ready for its primer. So we have a lot of work to do on that. We have run out of time today, so we will see you guys next Saturday. But we have a lot of exciting news coming to the channel in the upcoming future. So make sure you guys stick around. Make sure you smash the like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any videos of ours. We have a lot coming to the channel. We have the 454. We may have some new projects coming to the channel, so stick around, and we'll see you then, and we'll see you guys next Saturday.